Okay, now let's build this feature properties. So for that, let's me show you one thing. Let's duplicate this. Okay, so it will duplicate all of these full sections. Now we have to just remove the unnecessary ones. So here, what is the option? Properties. So we can name this properties. Okay, here we can remove this image. We can remove the background overlay color also here. We can remove this. Okay, and if I go to this, we can remove this grid. Here we can add these feature properties. Okay, and here we can have this grid option now. Here we have these six options like so we can make this. Here also we can have this container. Okay, like this. Here we can see we have this image. So for this image, what we can do, I will show you. You can see here we have this. So just copy this and then just go to this, just paste it. So it will fully paste this. Okay, and we can have this 300 only. Here let's see, we can use the 250. 250 is good. Okay, and here this is the item. And here we can have this to, I think we have to upload those images also. So let me find those images here. I think I have these images. So here you can see. Okay, let's upload this also. So we can choose this image. Okay, like this. Now you can see here we have two at the top, two at the bottom. So for that, again, we have to add the two containers. Okay, let's add the two containers here. So first we have to add one main container. Okay, so I think we already have the main container. So let's add the two container here. This is the first. Okay, this will contain the BTN box. Name this so we don't mess it. And just duplicate this like this. Okay, so we have this, and here we can have this space between and all. Okay, now let's first add the buttons. So let's add the button in this. Okay, and here we have this office space and for sale. So this will say office space. Okay, and let's duplicate this. So for this BTN box, we can just duplicate this like this, and this will say for sale. So now let me copy the color code here. Pick the colors, this color. So for the first one, pick this color. Okay, and here we can have this border a little bit like this. Typography, we can just increase the fonts. Okay, like this. Now for the green color, we can also pick this. Okay, and here also we can have this color. And first let's copy this here. Now let me go and we're gonna pick this. Okay, let's pick this from here again. Okay, like this. So do we have this? Also you can see we have this little bit more here gap, so let me make this 10. Okay, now we have this now you can see that we have to build this. Okay, for that we have to add two boxes inside this. So the first box will contain this and second box will contain this, right? Okay, now we can add the two boxes here inside this. So the first box will contain, let's divide this like top, all the padding. duplicate, and this is the bottom. Okay, now let's me choose the list here. Okay, just drag and drop. Here we have this New York City. Okay, so let's name this New York City, and here we can find the map. Okay, go to the styles icon. Here we can make this white, increase the font size. Okay, here we have the text. We can make this white. Okay, and here we can have this 500. Then we have the other things also. So let me copy this. Means let's add the text here. Here we can add this content also now. Okay, and here we can make this full white again. Let's increase the font size like this. Okay, and here you can see we have the top, so we can make this 10 here. Okay, now we have to make this. So here we have the two. So for that we're gonna use this only. Okay, it is saying 110 meter square feet. So let me copy this. Go here, remove this. Go here, text. Make this 400. Let's keep the 500 only. Let's decrease this little bit. Okay, let's duplicate this now. Go to the bottom, add this space between center. Okay, now let's go here. Here make the two. Here let's choose the bath. We have the two bath here. Okay, now let's duplicate this 3 times. Here we have the three. Here let's choose the bed. Here the 3 bedroom. Okay, and here we can choose a parking. So we have to choose car. So we have this one parking, and we can make this list. Okay, so you can see that. Now what we have to put a line here. So we have this bottom and we have this top. Okay, so for that, if we go to the bottom, here we can add a border like solid, and here we can add the two, make this complete white. Also we can add this padding here like this. If you go here, you can see we have this. Also we have this item. Here we can make this to 300 like this. Okay, so in this way you can see we have built this. I hope you understand. We can go to the background overlay, and here we can increase the opacity of this like this. So we have this fully working. Now we have to just duplicate this we have to just duplicate this 6 times. Let's publish this one so we don't lose this. Now we can duplicate this. Let's duplicate this also one more time. Okay, in this now we can go to the grid here, and here we can add this 30 again. So now you have to just replace all of this content, and this section is also ready. I hope you understand how you can build it. If you find that this is very fast, so you can just play the video in a slow split. Okay, so you can see how cool this is looking. You have to just replace all of this content and all. Okay, so this is also done. Now let's